Same? Same? Sure.
Captain Ashwin, is that the same thing that they are preparing there?
Yes, sir.
And that's Ashwin here again on the food. Oki. What is this? What do you call this food? What is the name of this food? Oki. Okimiya, yes. This has been done in Osaka, in Nankai, near Namba Station, near Swiss Hotel where I'm staying. This is a typical Japanese food. It's a fast food. Amazing, eh? Just see how they prepare. At one go, she's prepared about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a whole lot of it. They're preparing it. Look. Amazing food. Looks very tempting. I'm going to try the one Ashwini has got. You can taste. I think we are done with this food here, and people love eating here. Look at this. It's amazing. This is how they prepare. Thank you and Jai Chandra Surya. यो खाना को प्रिपरेसन तपाईँ हेर्नुभयो हैन? यो जापानिज खाना हो. Okonomiyaki, I don't know, something like that. Whatever it is, I'm going to write. Thank you, Jai Chandra Surya.